Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make tasty mini chicken and tuna pizza. I'm going to show you how to make pizza without an oven and using an oven. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 cups of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a cup of warm milk, and lastly 1 packet of yeast, which is approximately to 2 tablespoons. In a medium-large bowl, you're going to add a half a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of yeast, and mix everything well, then cover and put it aside for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, our yeast has activated, as you can see in the video. Then you're going to add a half a teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of wheat flour, and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and mix everything well. So I'm going to add a quarter cup of warm milk because my flour is too dry. So in total, I've used 3/4 cup of milk. Pour a bit by a bit while mixing till everything is well combined until you get a dough. Continue kneading your dough for approximately 5 to 7 minutes till your dough becomes super soft. Once your dough becomes soft like this, you're going to take the kneading bowl, apply some oil in the bowl, then afterwards place the dough in the bowl. Then cover and place it in a warm place to double size for approximately 30 minutes to 40 minutes. These are our pizza topping. I have some chicken. I've cooked the chicken with some ginger garlic paste, black bell pepper, some salt and some lime. And I have some mozzarella and emmental cheese, but you can use any cheese that you like. Then I have cooked tuna. I've used the canned tuna. I've cooked it with some ginger garlic paste, some lime, bell pepper and some salt. Then I have some green olives, but you can use any olives that you like, some pizza sauce and some green bell pepper, or you can use any bell pepper that you like. After about 30 to 40 minutes, our dough has double size as you can see in the video. Then divide the dough into 2. Take one dough at a time, sprinkle a bit of flour and roll the dough into a medium thick circle. Make sure when you're rolling out the dough, it has to be a bit thick, it shouldn't be thin. Using a cutter like this or a round glass, you're going to shape the dough into mini pizza dough. And I'm done cutting my mini pizza dough, and it's high time to fill the toppings. Before adding the toppings, using a fork, slightly prickle the doughs to make some small holes as you can see in the video. Once you're done, you're going to apply the pizza sauce. The recipe of the pizza sauce is already on my YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description box so you can able to see the recipe of the pizza sauce. Afterwards, you're going to add the cheese. I've mixed some mozzarella cheese and some emmental cheese, or you can use any cheese that you like. Then afterwards, you're going to add the cooked chicken and the cooked tuna. Half of the pizza, I'm going to add some chicken, and the rest I'm going to put some tuna. I'm going to add the green bell pepper and the green olives, or you can use any bell pepper and any olives that you like. Then you can add some Italian spices, that's up to you. Lastly, you're going to add some cheese on top, and our mini pizza are ready, and it's high time to bake them in the oven. And our mini chicken and our mini pizza are ready, as you can see in the video. Place them in a preheated oven and bake them at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, our mini pizza are ready, as you can see in the video. They're nicely baked and they have this amazing golden brown color. So the next step, I'm going to show you how to make pizza without using an oven. Place a pan on a medium heat, then place the mini doughs and cook on both sides till golden brown. Once the doughs have this amazing golden brown color, flip on the other side and cook till golden brown. Once they have this amazing golden brown color, remove them from the fire and place them aside. Then afterwards, you're going to spread some pizza sauce on the doughs. Afterwards, you're going to add some cheese. Like I said, I've used mozzarella cheese and some emmental cheese. Then I'm going to add the cooked chicken and the cooked tuna. 2 of the pizza, I'm going to add some chicken, and the 2 of them, I'm going to add some tuna. Then lastly, I'm going to add the green bell pepper and the olives. At this point, you can able to add the Italian spices too. Lastly, I'm going to add some extra cheese, and my mini pizza are ready to be cooked. Then afterwards, cover your pizza and cook in a low heat for approximately 5 to 7 minutes till the cheese melts. After 5 to 7 minutes, my mini pizza are ready. As you can see in the video, the cheese has melted and the pizza is nicely cooked. And my mini chicken pizza and my mini chicken tunas are ready, as you can see in the video. They're nicely baked and they have this amazing golden brown color. I'm going to cut one of the pizza into two so you can able to see how nicely baked the pizza look. Like, look how tasty the pizza look. Serve along with a cold soda or juice and enjoy your mini pizza. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.